How to make Outlook calendar reminders stay on top in Windows 7. I'm just starting to use Windows 7 and I want to know how to make my Outlook reminders pop up and show themselves prominently. They keep opening discreetly, as just another window in the Outlook stack on the taskbar. As a result, I keep overlooking them because they pop up behind everything else. How do I make them less easy to overlook? Clearly, one usually doesn't want obnoxious apps that push themselves to the forefront. But there are a few places where such behavior is desirable, and Outlook calendar reminders are one of them.
The best answer I've found is here. How to get Outlook appointment reminders to pop up in front of other windows again using some simple VBA. It entails adding a few lines of simple VBA code to this Outlook session. Now, it pops up a window every time. Much better. Create a digital certificate for later, hit Start and type Certificate. Select Digital Certificate for VBA Project, enter a name for your certificate, only open Outlook, and hit Alt plus F11 to start the VBA editor.I and the tree on the left. Expand Microsoft Office Outlook objects and double-click on this Outlook session. Paste in this code, modifying the text in quotes to suit your preferences. Leave the quotes in. Sign the macro so it will run by going to Tools, Digital Signature, and choosing the certificate you created earlier. Close the VBA window.
I had the same problem with Outlook 2010. Use the steps mentioned below, it works like a charm. Don't forget to enable all macros, Trust Center is greater than macro settings. Create a digital certificate for later, hit Start and type Certificate, select Digital Certificate for VBA projects, enter a name for your certificate. Click OK. Open Outlook and hit Alt plus F11 to start the VBA editor. In the tree on the left, expand Microsoft Office Outlook objects and double-click on this Outlook session. Paste in this code. Sign the macro so it will run, Tools is greater than Digital Signature, and choose the certificate you created earlier. Close the VBA window, enable all macros in File, Options, Trust Center Settings, Macro Settings.
Same as Galus and where above, but with change to accommodate different window title.
Auto hotkey can also be used to solve this. This script will put the reminder window on top without stealing focus, tested with Win 10 in Outlook 2013. AHK script, compiled exe.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking